I think I messed up. I thought I knew the Amazon, until I discovered these mind-blowing facts. Deep within the Amazon rainforest lie secrets that defy belief. Did you know there's a tree so toxic touching it could be fatal? Beneath the forest floor, an ancient network of tunnels exists, dating back thousands of years. And the animals? They've got some bizarre survival tactics, like frogs releasing toxins, snakes with venom that can kill in under 30 minutes. And believe it or not, the Amazon creates its own weather. Unbelievable, right? Hit like, subscribe, and let us know which fact blew your mind in the comments.